Up. Ah, that's so fast. The sooner you start, the sooner you get into the state. So let's do it. Let's start it. Friend, you back again. I want to clean up, get ready for a meeting I have today. And after that we will stack up the manipulated time and go on Gaussian. England, Spain. When is it, by the way? Fuck that. Who cares about England or Spain? I don't care about them right now, but we will go watch it when it starts. They give me the Euro Cup for England, Spain. I'm not going to watch. Okay, I will go watch because I want to see my friends. Yeah, let's clean this shit up. Okay. So we said English auction ends up in paying V2, and for fixed price we need to compare it to that. So we have a lazy consumer which participating in auction costs him, right? First price auction, YI. So I want to say we have this let's make a new one. I should call this one presentation. Oh, this one. So we got rid of these bullshits. So how can I hide? Hide. Alright. Hide. 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 This one I wanna keep actually. So, okay, I'm pretty sure we won't work for a journal anymore because I'm working with a son. It's a computer science culture or ecosystem. It's not econ anymore, so econ, fuck econ. They just can publish in journals. Also, as we talked, we are not interested anymore in the seller's behavior. It's up to them, fuck them all. As a platform, we usually want to focus on keeping the users engaged, giving them the best service. And sellers and buying their sponsorship is more on them. Um, Platforms do not feel that much obligated to um, provide. Okay, the focus of the platform is usually to bring consumers and giving them service. Then it is art of a seller to sell the product to the consumers on the platform. So okay, you're showing all of it, alright. Perfect. And I wanna keep insert slide. I wanna say auction. Auction, then fixed priced items. We wanna see if we can rank them. Should we rank them? So it's not just comparison of fixed price and auction, right? Problem is we have products that are fixed price and we have products that are there for auction, and how should we rank them? That's the problem. And I want to say, let's go to, what did it count? What did it count? Okay. Guys, this is actually really good. I want you to all see. When I search on my main Chrome account, it's like a shoe company. Again, shoe. Some searches about Boston, Jersey, like Celtics, Red Sox, and it's Blow. It's just a movie by Johnny Depp. Paul Newman, 7 worlds, 1 planet. So I have nothing to hide, to be honest. At this point, I can say I have nothing to hide. Just let me... Perfect. Now let's go to our Chrome account where we watch Andrew and G. By the way, I have to watch Andrew and G on our third stacked and manipulated time of masturbation, mental masturbation. I am a mental masturbator. Mental masturbation. Okay, your turn. Sing it at home, guys. We are all mental masturbators. So let's go eBay and okay, why up? That's what we searched last time. I don't know, painting. Let's go. No fucking way. $5,000 for this. Dude, who can do? Actually, we went to Provincetown in Cape Cod for 4th of July. And there was like this jewelry store, like a ring cost like $7,000. With your PhD, you cannot touch a ring. You can't just look at it from behind the glass. And even if that takes a long time, somebody comes and kicks your ass. But go make money, because if you wanna buy a fucking painting of a flower, it costs you $2,500. I'm not saying that flowers are not important. I'm saying money is important. You need money for this. For this, you need money. This thing that, honestly, what is the name of the... They don't say. Robert Joyner. I don't know who the hell he is, but we want to search you. Robert Joyner painting. Robert Joyner. Anyways, if you want to enjoy art, you need to have money. I mean, yeah, you can be an artist yourself, but you need money. I need money. Fuck you all. I want money. I don't care if you go for money or not. Fuck you all. I hope both ways you are having a happy life. I need money. I want money. It's just that I want, I love money. Okay. What is the name of it? Honestly, people want to pay for this shit. These two are pretty close to each other. Okay. Collectible cow art. Alright, these are pretty close, I hope. Oh, they're all on auction. Dude, this is the same thing, isn't it? Anyways. Why should we put an auction for a $24 product? This is cow. This is a cow. Oh, what's another one? Oh, this is a cow's head. I can see that. Ah, this is a cow's. Okay. Why is the cow like that? So, you are saying Robert Joyner, Mick Smith, both of them are original painting, and 9 days, and interesting, right? It's very interesting. Starting price is $24, for the other one is $600, and we are putting all of them next to each other. Who sets the starting price, by the way? Snipping tools. Let me see. What is the right way of ranking these options? What is our objective? What's our objective for ranking? And I want to add another one. Three. What was it? Should remember. How does a lazy consumer interact? Ranking. Now I want to say that's it. Now I wanna. Yeah. Put this. Um, and then let's also talk about English auction for beat. Um, for English auction. I wanna have a handwriting for that. It's more. I think it takes off the formality. I don't like formality. It's not a formal session. Um, okay. And then we will have payment. Will be max 2, not max, second order. Second. Largest. Right? And we have this for fixed price. auction. Okay, I wanna say we have a consumer is lazy, so he's lazy. Um, yeah. If okay, and I wanna say okay, guys. Damn, I have to go. Okay, I will stay. Okay, I will be back. I will be back. I will be back. Ding, ding, ding. Okay. Ah. 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 Fuck. Alright. Perfect. Copying the photo. Six days. Should I follow up? Alright, perfect. That's it. Did I do magic? Sometimes I do. Now I wanna... You know, I was thinking maybe... Sounds good. Fuck this, you know what? Fuck this. It's not as complicated as I was thinking, and it doesn't look as good. So I wanna users with valuation like this. Payment. Second highest. Now I wanna design. Where is it? Ah, okay. Design. Okay. Operators and okay, perfect. Payment. Second. Highest valuation. And we want to say also then I want to add something else. Define it as perfect. seat. I wanna also make it. And what else do I want to say? Do we want to talk a bit about a DCG and how good the ranking is? Sounds good. Mic check. Can you hear it? So I just downed it. And check. I'm here. I need to get one with the straw. But the thing is that those ones you cannot wash them and clean them. I had one and it started growing mold on it, so I'm not gonna. I'd rather get my t-shirt wet than getting mold. Okay, that's it. That's all we want. Yeah, let's go DCG. Let's. Okay, what kind of? We can't say that here, huh? Ah, fuck, dude. Ah. Okay, 4. Find products are for auctions. What kind of products are suitable for auctions? High price, low price? Luxury. Perfect, that's good. And then we want to go for what's the opposite of luxury? Cheap. How is that? They can text me by their emails on my okay, welcome. We've noticed that your background and resume have been recommended by a number of online recruiters. So we'd like to offer you a part-time job that you can do in your free time. Our job, no, while I'm working, I can do your part-time job. Our job is simple: score your favorite restaurants. Oh my god, okay. What a bad scam. There are no time constraints and you can do the scoring from home. And with earning ranging from $200 to $500 per day. You know what? Yeah, $500 per day. I score restaurants while I'm in my free time. And guess what? I get $500. I get $500 per day every day that I score restaurants. The chef doesn't get $500 a day. You can easily earn $10K plus per month, all paid on the same day. If you'd like to participate, contact us via WhatsApp +16 46 97 43. You must be at least 24 years old for scoring restaurants. Actually, let's participate in it. Hey, well, I'm not going to WhatsApp, but I'm texting them back. Hey, I am curious which part of my resume and background suggested that I am good at scoring restaurants, and who were the online recruiters who said I am very good at this part-time job? So I say thanks for the message. I love to have a call. Perfect. Why did I grab my phone, by the way? Because we wanted to go chat GPT. Yeah. So why did I grab my phone? I don't know. Chat GPT. Fuck that. Oh, I mean one. Let's tell that what is DCG? discounted cumulative gain is a measure using information retrieval and ranking systems to evaluate the effectiveness of ranking algorithms. What is the difference between information retrieval and ranking systems? In the list, important, particularly useful in contexts where the all items significantly impact user satisfaction, such as engineering recommendations and examples. So we assign a relevance score to each item in the ranking. NDCG, we have normalized DCG, search engine recommendation system, e-commerce. So okay, let's say effect of DCG. Okay, I mentioned DCG, that's good. And we have let's have a formula for this. Perfect. Why is it 2 today? Let's see if Wikipedia says ECG ranking. Perfect. And what else do I want to say? Now I want to mention, so we have auction, we suggested auction. The other topic we talked about was Airbnb model, products to have inventory limits or constraints. I can see my mustache. Okay, and we want to say stock, and the other one is Airbnb. So in Amazon it happens too, Airbnb happens too. Actually, I was thinking on dating apps it also happens, right? Once. I mean, kind of happens. What else? But what are the platforms it doesn't happen? On YouTube it doesn't happen. Why? Because this video, you can watch it and, right? That's the difference. That's the difference of a physical good and on Insta, physical good and data you use it, you can use it again, it doesn't go stale. While physical good, no, not to say it doesn't go bad, it doesn't finish, but physical good, you sell it to somebody, we have limitation. That's a added constraint. Actually, physical good are more constrained. Social media. YouTube, not YouTube. Perfect. And I wanna. I wanna say perfect. That's really nice. I think I'm happy with this. Let's fucking counter. Okay, yeah, you can play your Counter Strike. Fuck you. Okay, let's play our Counter Strike for 15 minutes because I'm allowed to play Counter Strike 15 minutes a day. And then we are going to yeah, okay, for that, like for the auction we have some mathematics, fixed price, we can compare them. And for what is the other one? For the Airbnb model, for the Airbnb is actually like a very the the most um, limited resource, right? Once you book a house or hotel, well, hotels are big, so they have a lot of rooms. Once you book a house, that is gone. You need to show other consumers other things, and that's also a good. Good bridge between the thing that we want to say. Uh, for example, our design depends on our platform, right? So, okay, I don't wanna get distracted. Yeah, I talked about the like. Sometimes we have CPA, sometimes we have pay PCP, pay per click, PPC, pay per click, PPC. Sometimes we have PPA. Why did I remember CPA? PPA, which is pay per acquisition. Yeah, let's keep that one too. Yeah, we also had to talk about Netflix. So I want to say platform, business model. Um, Showing GPA. Versus PPC. Yeah, PPA versus PPC. Showing or PPA, PPC showing ads, or what is the other one? I'm either gonna show ads or I wanna. Oh, we're good. Shit. I'm either showing ads or I am. Or selling products of, and then we wanna also say showing PPA, PVC, showing ads or selling products. And that's it. Yeah, let's keep it like that. Sounds good. Let's go. Yeah, so I wanted to go and see, yeah, how can we model the inventory. I will write it here so I remember. How can I model stock to be honest, I don't feel it's the perfect time for Counter-Strike because I still have some energy and I'm not tired of working. However, there is no perfect time. So maybe, who knows, maybe after this we even have more energy. Who cares? $15 minutes. 15 minutes is the only thing that I really care about. Some people say that now that we are stacking the manipulated time, well, I am saying it, and we are having 2 or 3 days in one day, can we have 2 or 3 Counter-Strike sessions? I'm not, it is tempting, but I'm not totally about it. Dude, I have my game was so on point, bro. Oh shoot. I was so... yeah. Okay, now I can't hear. Fuck. Alright, fuck you all. I wanna hear. Ah, fuck you. You're just an asshole. What is happening? You look like a lion pride. Dude, why do they kill me so early? Ah, shoot, come on. Damn, they are really good. Or I'm bad. This guy here. Where is he? Oh, he turned into a car. Oh, I killed him too? How did it work? This fucking close, Diego. Ah, fucking your face. He's dead. Come on. Why are they going inside there? I don't get this part. With machine gun? Dude, respect my gun. Just respect my gun. I told you it's not a good time for... Okay! Fuck! I killed him too? They got all the guns they want. Ah, fuck. Burn it. Okay, stop being a loser. Stop crying. Go and get your next gun instead. What a nice kill. Ooh. Don't knife me, just. Oh, damn! I would like the guns you wanna spend the most of your time with are the ones that leave you there. That is the secret of love and life and whatever. The ones that you enjoy the most. Like this fucking machine gun I have to spend my whole life with. And I will die with it 10 times. That beautiful M4, I had to... The guy had... Okay, sniper. And I walk slowly, slows me down. Finally, okay. But... fucking Questigo. That was bad on me. That was my bad. That was a my bad moment. Ooh. Okay. Cristiano Ronaldo, come here, come on. No fucking way. I've never been here. Wow. I was pretty good. Food, for sure, food. I was pretty good, but like, damn, they were far better. Where are they? How did you kill them without me? This fucking cold... Dude, I killed it or you killed it? At this time, to be honest. Oh, he's the number one. How fucking... Now it's a bit difficult for me because I don't even have the... Fuck yeah. I ran a knife though. Holy shit show. Let's go, snipe me. Dude, I fucked it up. Dude, I killed. Who killed? Dude, this fucking snipe killed me. That was awesome. Fuck, why did you turn? The jump was so cool actually. Fuck that. Okay. Don't, I didn't tell you, that is love. M4 is love. You lose it in a second though. See? That's what happens when life is so fun. You will end up with machine gun. The thing is that you need to learn how to work with machine gun, but in general, that's the shit we are dealing with, you know? 3 of us? Don't kill me right away. Oh, thanks God, let's go. Haha, you came to knife me, but you couldn't. Okay, thanks God, they killed me with my... What does he have? Oh, who got the knife? In pool, knife is in a day. It happens in a day. Who is it? Who are we shooting here? Who has the knife? Who the fuck has the knife? Who got knife? Ah, dude. This is oh, cold. Yeah, they're really good. Our Postigo was in our team. Damn, they were really good. I was feeling I'm not very bad, but these motherfuckers were killing us. Last round. Okay. This motherfucker rings in the middle and... Where did he come from? Nigeria. Woohoo! This is the quality I'm talking about. I'm here NP. Ah, fuck. That was a good round. Ooh, we are slaughtering them here. Where are you? Where are they? There. Oh. Maybe. Ooh, even I hit it. Dude, maybe this round is mine. Okay, if I don't fuck it up, I can actually get this round. Fuck, how did you kill me? M4! Let's go. This round, I'm crazy. Okay. Keep it cool, brother. Oh, no. That sucks. Ah, shit, dude. Who started this up? Bro. Do you see that? All of my bros got sniper. I still have. This motherfucker doesn't work. He got 142. How does it work? Oh my god, you're here. Ah, dude. Oh, come here. Yeah, that's actually a better way. Oh, bitch, come here. Oh! Oh, dude. I'm on a new level. What is that? Ah, Cold Z is back. Cold Z as fuck. Shit, okay, for this gun I'd rather go this way and hide here. Now I'm killing. Oh, what the fuck, wait. What the fuck happened? I killed. I nailed it. This is like the easiest pass in life. Dude, I'm getting by. Oh shoot. Cold Z is a motherfucker. Ah, motherfucker, you ain't no motherfucker. Why can't I sometimes move? Get out of here, bitch. Get out of here, bitch. Dude, you are killing all of my kills. That's not... What the fuck? Suddenly snipe. This fucking snipe doesn't kill. What's the problem with it? What am I doing? Oh, it's there. Oh my, perfect. Come here, bitch. Dude, it doesn't kill! Did you see that? Like, what kind of snipe is it? Half-ass snipe. It just doesn't kill. What the fuck should I do? Woo! Like, other people need to make it weak for me and then I kill. That's how it works. Oh, cold Z gun. Dude, I am at cold Z level. Who could have thought it? Where is it? Where is it coming? I would rather go knife. Oh shit. Fucking cold Z. That's the fake it. I think they wanna. Okay, we cannot kill this way. Oh shit! He knifed me? Oh, okay, he didn't. I didn't see that coming. This kind of so difficult to do. Alright, I'll just go shoot. Oh fuck, now this is the, I cannot run. Dude, I am shooting, how? Damn, this gun, I need to learn how to work with it. I got better though. Okay, what was the next step? ChatGPT. Modeling stock limitation in English and incorporating inventory. Let's go on Google. Inventory and we want to have inventory and we want to have ranking. Actually, it's not related, but I wanna listen to it. Sounds good.
Aaron Moorer, Senior Engineer Manager at Slack, has devoted his career to building machine learning systems that make products more delightful and generate business impact. At Slack and Airbnb, his focus was search ranking experiments, which ensure that search functionality provides users with the most relevant results. For Aaron Moorer,
Aaron.
Senior Engineer Manager at Slack.
Okay, he was also at Airbnb. Aaron Moorer. Damn, dude. Slack, exactly. Okay, where is his Aaron's director of software in Slack score? Then he has, and where is he working? He doesn't have any paper. Contact info. I will search it. Where is his? So he was a machine learning data scientist on the search ranking team, working with machine learning engineers to improve our internal algorithm or picking listing to show guests when they search for a trip. Good. Actually, I really like this person. I want to get in touch with these kind of people uh, who have similar interests, they have similar values. Work conducted primarily on Python, Scala, Hive, Presto, Apache, Spark. He was at the University of Chicago. And conducting ad hoc analysis to measure effects of current models and opportunities, writing data pipelines for feature and training data generation, devising innovations in our ranking machine learning model, feature sampling, and okay, that's really nice. I like him. Let's follow him. Turn on all post notification for Aaron, not now. And well, Aaron, do you have a Google Scholar? Doesn't seem like that. Oh, rare. Okay. Why does it have two? Rare. That's not a common name. Okay, he's not this bald guy. He's this head full of hair guy. And also beard. Very hairy. Hairy guy. Design? No. What is this? Who is this guy, by the way? Why? What are the odds we have two Oren Morer? Oren Morer. Which one is this one? What? Okay, show me your scholar. Google scholar. They have a YouTube channel. He's the bald guy. Oh, he's a coffee guy. Yeah, wait a second. 1.4K videos. Wow. And 5K subscribers. Let's hope by the end of my PhD we get to this. Coffee for the brain. So he goes and interviews people on coffee. Like 22 views, 25 views. Even when I make it to 5K subscribers, I still have my 11 views. But I think he's a fun guy. Okay, let's go Mr. Beast. So he has like 300 million, right?
In this video,
300 million subscribers. And he's getting like 200 million views. Wow, really good job, right? It's fucking... You know, it's like 2 countries watching him. Really good job. And they are like 15-minute videos. It's like a 15-minute videos. They watch 200 million people watch these. Very good job. Wait a second, look at these shorts. Woo! Yeah, what is this? Good, okay. Only he can make these videos. Okay.
I just bought 1,000 Samsung phones and I'm going to be giving them away to random people that subscribe. Like Jose. For the record.
Okay.
I just bought
That is fucked up. That is fucked up. He's just using the money to buy subscribers.
1,000 Samsung phones and I'm going to be giving them away to random people that subscribe. Like Jose, here's your brand new Samsung phone, ship it to him. I spent over $1 million on these phones. If you also want to win a brand new phone, all you have to do to enter is hit that subscribe button right there.
It feels like this, what are they called? Pyramids?
We're going to be picking random people over the next 10 days and shipping them some of these bad boys. I just bought 1,000. For the record, go. As you can see, I'm trying to break the world record for the most bottles smashed on my head.
Oh
Enjoy my pain.
My
My head, ow.
Okay, 20 seconds remaining. 20 seconds.
I think it is fake, right? Yeah, it is fake.
15 seconds remaining. 15
How am I doing?
seconds.
Is my pace good?
This is
20
fake.
seconds or 10 seconds remaining. 10 seconds. Gotta pick up the pace. 5 seconds remaining.
That's bullshit.
I dropped it.
2,
He just passed it there.
Stop.
Did I beat the world record?
Absolutely not. For the record, go.
This is not
As you
the
can see,
bottom.
I'm trying to break the. I grabbed 100 people from age 1. All.
Fuck you. Okay, Aaron, I love you. I love you, Aaron. Dude. Why this guy? I just searched Aaron Mars Google Scholar. Like, completely different name. Heinz Schimula Lily. Why should we have his? Wow, this guy. Oh, Bayesian. Anyways. So it seems Aaron, what is his title? I want to know his title though. What did he say? Fuck that, let's go read the blog.
Slack has devoted his career to building machine learning systems that make products more delightful and generate business impact. At Slack and Airbnb, his focus was search ranking experiments, which ensure that search functionality provides users with the most relevant results. For marketplaces, e-commerce platforms, and collaboration tools, optimizing the search ranking algorithm can drive millions of dollars in revenue. And according to
Damn,
Moore,
millions of
optimizing
fucking
search
dollars.
ranking
Do you
algorithms
fucking
can drive
understand? Millions of
dollars in
dollars. Millions of dollars.
algorithms can drive millions of dollars in revenue.
Say it again.
Here's how to A/B new. Here's how to A/B test them. Aaron Moore, November 30,
What is
2023.
A/B
Aaron is
testing, by the way? I need to learn. What's A/B testing? I heard it so many times already. What is A/B testing? I think it's just this thing like, oh, what would happen if that happened or something like that. Oh shit! GPT gave me a code. Damn, GPT, I love you.
A/B testing, also known as split testing, is a method of comparing two versions of a web page, app, or other product to determine which one performs better in terms of a specific objective.
We also have ChatGPT reading the text for us, right? So can you read it for me?
A/B testing, also known as split testing, is a method of comparing two versions of a web page, app, or other product to determine which one performs better in terms of a specific objective, such as conversion rates, user engagement, or sales. It is a fundamental technique in data-driven decision-making, commonly used in marketing, product development, and user experience design. How A/B testing works. 1. Hypothesis development. Formulate a hypothesis about what change could improve the performance of a web page or product. For example, changing the color of the call to action button from blue to green will increase click-through rates. 2. Create variants.
Wow,
Variant
really?
A, control. The original
Okay,
version of
shut
the
up,
web page
because
or product.
I need to
Variant
see what you are reading. I cannot.
Such as conversion rates, user engagement, or sales. It is a fundamental technique in data-driven decision-making, commonly used in marketing, product development, and user experience design. How A/B testing works. Hypothesis development. Formulate a hypothesis about what change could improve the performance of a web page or product. For example, changing the color of the call to action button from blue to green will increase click-through
Isn't it
rates.
crazy?
Create
Just changing-
variants. Variant A, control
Fuck,
the
when would I care about this?
version of the web page or product. Variant B, treatment the modified version
it's
with the
just a
changes you want to
hypothesis.
test.
Okay.
Random assignment. Randomly split your audience into two groups. One group sees variant A, and the other group sees variant B. Randomization ensures that differences in outcomes are due to the changes being tested and not other factors. Run the test. The test runs over a predefined period, collecting data on how users interact with each variant. This might include metrics like click-through rates, conversion rates, time spent on the page, etc. Analyze results. Compare the performance of both variants using statistical analysis to determine if there is a significant difference. Metrics such as conversion rate, average order value, or any other key performance indicators, KPIs, relevant to your hypothesis are analyzed. Draw conclusions. If variant B performs significantly better than variant A, the change can be implemented more widely. If there is no significant difference or variant A performs better, the original version is retained. Key considerations in A/B testing. Sample size. Ensure you have a large enough sample size to detect meaningful differences. Small sample sizes can lead to inconclusive or misleading results. Duration. Run the test long enough to account for variations in user behavior over time, such as different days of the week or special events. Statistical significance. Use statistical tests, example t-tests, chi-square tests, to determine if the differences observed are likely due to the changes rather than random chance. Confounding variables. Control for other variables that might affect the outcome, such as seasonal trends, marketing campaigns, or external events. Example of A/B testing.
Yeah,
Imagine
there
an
are
online
so
retailer
many
wants to increase the
reasons
number of
behind,
users.
like, if you're like the platform, right? Or for example, Instagram. Who knows what's happening there? And even if you want to try a new feature on the app, who can say, like, if you see an improvement, or what is the opposite of improvement? Digress. Man, whatever. How can you be sure that the effect of, for example, user engagement on Insta is because of the change you made on the app, or is it because just people are getting more interested in Instagram, or something happened in the world that it's going viral and everybody wants to know? Deterioration advanced. That's only one. Deterioration. Setbacks. Okay. Reduction. Collapse. Decline. Decline is a nice word. Okay. So if you have a decline, we would cancel it because it's the new feature, or because people learn that, okay, Instagram is addictive and they should control the time they spend on Instagram. By the way, nobody says that, okay, like drugs are addictive, but also we know this social media or stuff are addictive as well. But you know why? Because this that's the thing. Because your addiction to social media is at least making some other people money, not like you see ads. A lot of people are benefiting from people using social media. Also, like this, there are so many people involved. It's just okay. The right thing is that use of drugs should be free. We should not limit the use of social media. But okay, at least you can put a like on the packet of cigarettes, they put a destroyed lung on the packet. So the same way they should put on Instagram, like a damaged brain or something. And who knows? Some people can use it good. Some people sometimes use it bad. Sometimes good. Like if you are watching Mental Masturbator / Armchair Theorist, you are using it right. Keep going until the end of this session. Okay, let's go with the rest of it and then we are going to R and
Who add items to their
Mara.
shopping cart. They hypothesize that changing the Add to Cart button from blue to green will increase the click-through rate. Hypothesis: changing the button color to green will increase the click-through rate. Variants. Variant A, original blue button. Variant B, new green button. Random assignment: half of the users see the blue button, and half see the green button. Run the test, collect data on how many users click the Add to Cart button for each variant. Analyze results. Blue button, 5% click-through rate. Green button, 7% click-through rate. Statistical analysis shows the difference is significant. Conclusion:
Oh,
the
2%
green button
is
performs
significant?
better, and the change is implemented site-wide.
Yeah, it is.
Benefits of A/B testing. Data-driven decisions, reduces guesswork and allows decisions based on empirical evidence. Optimization, continuously improves user experience and business outcomes. Risk management, tests changes on a small scale before full implementation, minimizing potential negative impacts. By using A/B testing, businesses and product teams can systematically test and validate changes, leading to better performing products and higher user satisfaction. Turning AI hype into tangible business value through experimentation. A/B search ranking is determined by a complex algorithm that takes various factors into account, including relevance, authority, and popularity of the search terms. At both Airbnb and Slack, Moorer worked on internal search for the core products. At Airbnb, users try to find a listing by entering a geographic area and some dates, and the system picks out a set of results to display. Mora's search ranking team also supported Airbnb's algorithmic recommendation system, and other elements adjacent to that experience. Search ranking teams are responsible for optimizing and improving a specific search experience within a product. The most lucrative optimizations tend to involve the search experience around shopping. Amazon's a huge one, Moorer says. Any time where you're connecting users to inventory, you can very directly measure the impact of ranking in dollars, and it tends to get a lot of investment.
Shit.
Reddit, Twitter, and Dropbox all have a search component, and all three have search ranking teams. According to Moorer,
I mean, how
teams
can you
can
make
fiddle
money
with
from
search
that
results
for
without
Dropbox?
getting into machine learning. But if you're investing significant time in your ranking, you start doing machine learning almost instantly. The main meat of ranking is optimizing the machine learning model.
According to Mark, teams can fiddle with search results without getting into machine learning. What does fiddle with mean? To move or handle something with hands or fingers. Okay. Manual. You can fiddle with searching results without getting into machine learning. But if you are investing significant time in your ranking, in machine learning, almost okay. The main meat of ranking is optimizing the machine learning.
Why run search ranking experiments? For a machine learning team, experimentation happens in the final stage of a rollout. The team has built a model, and evaluated it on historical data, but at the end of the day, the only way to know whether it works or not is to run an experiment. According to Moorer, in machine learning, no one person can evaluate a model. You can run a couple examples, but you can't capture anywhere near the full realm of the experience people will get from this model. Because if you have 1 million users, 1 million users will get slightly different results in different contexts. So evaluating it anyway but running an experiment is insane. There's no way you can really have faith that you've even proved the thing until you run an experiment. Maurer reflects on a cautionary example of when his team didn't run an experiment on a change. There was a confluence of different product changes that the PM wanted to make at once. With machine learning, you'll have a bunch of metrics from training, and those metrics will give you optimism that this should be a good change. And the PM decided that given our optimism over the metrics, and given other experiments they wanted to run, they decided to just launch it. It turned into a huge boondoggle, and we launched a terrible thing. It took us a couple months to figure out how badly we screwed up. Maurer says that there's a lesson here for all machine learning teams. ML teams, if they have any sense, know they need to run experiments. I think you'll be hard-pressed to find engineers more excited about experimentation than ML engineers. Why speed is crucial. As Ronnie Kohavi once put it, during my tenure at Airbnb, we ran some 250 experiments in search relevance. Those small improvements added up to an overall 6% improvement in revenue. You need to run many experiments for small gains to compound, and when Maurer worked at Airbnb, most of his work involved iterating on their experimentation process to make it move faster. It turned out that the team's main limiting factor was how many experiments they could run at once. There were lots of plausible things we could be testing, Maurer says, and we were always discussing what were the best bets to immediately put forward. Each incremental week of concluding experiments faster meant we could make more changes and improve the product. With search ranking, product and engineering teams often have hundreds of different ideas for changes to the model, and all of the ideas seem important. According to Maurer, usually with search ranking, there's one model at the heart of it, and at best, each person gets one variation of the model. So you have this bottleneck where you can't try out a bunch of different things at once. You only have one model to work with. And so the quicker you can iterate through and conclude experiments on it, the more you can do. The different phases of search. When you visit the Airbnb app and ask it to find a place to stay in Atlanta for a given set of dates, 3 phases occur. Retrieval. In the first phase, the search tool retrieves all the available listings for those dates within the boundaries of Atlanta. Ranking. During the search ranking phase, a tool takes those thousands of listings and selects the top 20 to make visible on the first results page, ranked in order of importance. Presentation. In the final phase, a team needs to determine how best to present those results in the product. They might reconfigure the order of the results, determining that Airbnb should not prioritize too many listings from the same host. The teams involved in search break down along those same lines. The retrieval phase usually maps to a search infrastructure team that runs a big search cluster that can do the filtering quickly. Then you have a ranking team, generally some combination of machine learning, data science, and ML infra. This team owns the algorithm that turns 1,000 listings into a ranked list, and returns some top listings. The ranking team might also choose to reconfigure the order of the results, determining that Airbnb should not prioritize too many listings from the same host. And then, the rendering and in-product presentation is usually owned by a standard front-end product engineering team. The search infrastructure team usually doesn't run experiments. The search product team will often run experiments on presentation, but the process is distinct from the ranking team. And then the ranking team iterates on the ranking algorithm. According to Maurer, when a search ranking team runs an experiment, what they're saying is, we have this black box that takes in 10,000 results and returns the top 20 in ranked order. We're going to substitute the model currently in production for a couple other alternatives, and then we'll measure, are these alternatives better? How a search ranking experiment works. In most product experimentation, a team will experiment on one component, then experiment on a second component. But a search ranking team is repeatedly running experiments on the same algorithm. According to Maurer, Airbnb's team has probably run 100 different models, where it's literally just substituting in one little chunk over and over again. Each search ranking experiment is basically a repeat in most ways of the last 10 search ranking experiments. The only difference is, the branches, or treatments, they're doing are new models. A search ranking team experiments on the same piece of the product over and over again, but they vary the treatments. If I could travel into the future and know the next 100 models my team's gonna experiment with, Moorer says, I could just run a 100-way experiment and it would get me basically the same result. How to prioritize experiments. Different members of the ranking team work on different projects that could improve the ranking model. One person might be working on switching from one machine learning algorithm to another machine learning algorithm. Another person might be working on building a new set of features. In ML speak, features are pieces of data you can feed to the model to better predict what someone would want. So in an Airbnb use case, a feature might be the review rating of the listing, or adding in your price history for searching and purchasing on Airbnb. Another person might be changing how the training data is picked. While different team members are working on different model improvements, there are usually a couple different models at any given time that might be ready to run an experiment. When you're running a ranking experiment, Moorer says, you have to make a judgment call about the best candidate models. Obviously, if you throw in absolutely everything, you're stuck waiting for that experiment to end, and you're bandwidth constrained, because you only have this one thing you're experimenting on over and over. So you need to make a trade-off. Maybe you experiment only on the best models, so that you're not running too much at the same time. Or maybe you combine together a couple of the changes if you think they're really likely to work well, and risk not learning if they don't pay off. Metrics and decision making. At Airbnb, the search ranking teams paid attention to a single metric: bookings per user. Whatever model increased bookings the most was considered the winning option. The second you measure a clear improvement in bookings from models, Moorer says, you should launch that. And if you have multiple models that are doing that, you pick the highest performing one, and then go back and layer on the changes that seem promising. However, the decision-making process can always get more complicated. Search ranking teams are often bandwidth constrained. They need to be able to quickly abandon experiments that don't seem positive, and quickly conclude positive-seeming experiments without putting their thumbs on the scale. I worked on a lot of statistical tooling for this problem, Moorer says. In search ranking at a place like Airbnb, it was really important for team velocity. Sometimes, Moorer says, his teams used experimentation as a way to remove complexity. Maybe we had made the model overly complex, and it had some features that we didn't think were doing anything. What we'd want to do is remove the complex features and run an experiment to make sure we weren't hurting performance. In that case, instead of trying table of contents.
Dude, optimization, over-optimization. Dude, you want to have a ranking algorithm that is good enough. Too much optimization, fuck that, dude. Hey, once it is like working at its 90%, 80%, I think you need to sell the company, focus on something else.
In that case, instead of trying to get a clear signal of improvement, the team just wanted to be able to put a lower bound on how much the model's complexity was costing them. We wanted to be able to say, we ran this experiment long enough that the worst case scenario is taking a 0.25% haircut to bookings, and we're okay with that. In conclusion, search ranking experiments can be a complicated undertaking, but they're critical for validating algorithm updates and driving impact. There are myriad treatments to test that can compound to big impacts to revenue or user experience improvement, and so experimentation velocity is key. If you'd like to learn more about how EPO can help you run experiments on search ranking algorithms or other ML models, contact us. Table of contents.
Perfect, guys. I think it's the time to say goodbye. So I say goodbye, bye-bye, goodbye.